said it's a nice day to go fishing. That's my tree. So it's my turn to go fish. Oh, I would love a fish like that. Come on. Come on. Come on, Haystack. Let's fishing. Yay, my favorite fish. It's a salmon. Haystack, I need you for a second. What is it? Can you put the fish in the box? Thank you. Let's bring it home, since I'm your visitor. I think that's the wrong home. Huh? You're sure about this? Yeah, that's mine. Let's eat dinner together! I would love to eat some dinner together. Nom, nom, nom. Come on, Haystack. Eat it! No. That dinner was so fun. Let's go to bed together. What's wrong with our pillow? The next day. It's a nice morning. I hope we can go fishing again today. The end.